Evlock International India Private Limited is the world's renowned fastening solution provider for various industries like heavy engineering, sealing and flow control technology, light engineering and architectural hardware. We are an Indo-South African joint venture company established in 2014 with Indian headquarters in Mumbai and overseas presence in Johannesburg, South Africa. Our diverse product portfolio find applications in various industries and are trusted by reputed brands worldwide. We are an authorized distributor for internationally renowned brands. The company's portfolio comprises of over 1,000 plus products which finds around 20,000 plus applications across diverse industries. With a pan-India presence that encompasses the entire gamut of operations, from manufacturing of specialized industrial fasteners, the company has earned a place of eminence in the market for highly reliable and quality product. Evlock is recognized globally for its installation tools, widely used in various fastener and sealing plug installations. Lock bolt is a high-strength fastener that eliminates problems associated with loose nuts, lock nuts, bolts and solid rivets. It is vibration and tamper resistant with consistent pretension values, fast installation and high tensile strength. We offer specialized industrial fasteners. Evlock India's products are designed to meet various applications spread across diverse industries and highly demanding conditions. Our manufacturing facility situated at Thane is well equipped to retain and expand our customers' demand through quick fulfillment of orders. With strategically placed manufacturing and warehousing facilities, Evlock India is well positioned to supply efficiently to ongoing customer schedule requirements. We also stock spare parts to provide tool maintenance service to our existing customers. Our manufacturing facility houses some of the finest talent in the industry, supported with state-of-the-art infrastructure and machinery. The manufacturing capabilities are backed by extensive engineering experience and modern infrastructure. Evlock is led by dynamic and visionary leadership, committed to delivering highest quality products. All our products are inspected on every stage, that is, arrival into the facility, while in process, and at the time of completion. Our warehouse incorporates components of picking, packing and shipping along with storage. Evlock India is an ISO 9001:2015 accredited company and approved supplier of Indian Railways and State Transport that manufactures reliable and long-lasting products. The quality of our products is guaranteed by a robust manufacturing process and testing facility. All the products undergo rigorous tests before they are shipped. A well-documented quality assurance system is followed in all our processes and practices. Our branch offices and footprints in almost all parts of India have been instrumental for providing excellent customer service. Evlock is looking to expand its export business for our in-house manufactured products like hydraulic power pack and its installation tools, lock bolts, specialized rivets and others. The experience gained over the years and the satisfaction of our clients has made Evlock India one of the most renowned company in India.